कैसे हुआ भाई? कोई कोई मारा क्या?
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पे स्लिप हो गई भैया गाड़ी। बे विशाल, बे विशाल, उठना बे।
भाई पिलाओ, थोड़ा पानी पिलाओ उनको।
पानी पी, पानी पी। बे विशाल,
आगे कोई गांव है?
हाँ है।
मैं किसी को लेके आता हूँ मेरे।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, रहने दे, मैं लेकर जाता हूँ इसको। बे विशाल, उठना बे।
पक्का ले जाओगे भाई?
हाँ।
अगर भिजाना है तो भिजाता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, रहने दे।
ओके।
बे विशाल, उठना।
फक। Hello YouTube. So I'm heading out on a ride again, this time for IBW Chikaldhara, and I'll be getting the Triumph from Nagpur, and Chikaldhara is 200 kilometers from Nagpur, and I'll be riding till Nagpur on my bike, and from there on I'll be keeping my bike at a friend's place and proceeding on the Triumph. And I'm already late, it's 1:15. I plan to hit the highway by 2. I'll fuel up at Kishore's bunk and set off from there. So I've always heard that it's an excellent road. I've just gone till Nizamabad on that road. That's the Mitchell highway from Hyderabad. It's a very good road. So Nagpur is 500 kilometers approximately. Sweet roads. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. And yep, bike all set, everything set. I'm wearing my usual gear. Only thing is, instead of the Claw, I'm carrying my Claw Mini because it's just a 3-day trip. And people are tripping because I generally depart early in the morning or late in the night. Because I'm departing in the afternoon, everyone just tripping on me. So let's just reach the pump. I just hope I don't encounter a lot of traffic. माँ बाप की दुआ, क्या बात है। ये गर्मी से
माँ चुदी पर ही है, तेरे बता रहे हो करे।
I really wondered, you know, it's March and it's already inching closer to 40 degrees Celsius. I don't know how it's gonna be in peak summer, man. अरे चलो यारो। Where's your car?
सर्विसिंग कर दिया जी।
तो कैसा है इधर?
आई केम इन कैब।
ओफ,
दोनों का एग्जॉस्ट बैठ रहा है।
अरे रे 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 रे।
तो किधर जा रहे फिर?
नागपुर।
Really, nigga?
Are you serious?
So got the air checked, got the fuel filled, and it's, what is the time, bro? It is 2:15. I'm already late. I don't think I'll make it to Nagpur before sundown, but let's see. Chalo, see you, bro. We'll catch up. I'll keep you updated. Thank you. So now it's relatively a one straight road from here straight on to Suchitra, Kompally, and straight. I don't plan on taking any break soon. It's already 2:15. Very, very delayed. Damn. And it's hot as fuck. So I guess they laid a new road here on the Kompally stretch. It's a very sweet stretch, but a lot of people come running across the road, so you all gotta be careful. छह है बाबा ये lol. Hey, that's a 16 RC390. I guess they've already started giving it out to squids. Yeah. Finally on to the highway, and because I guess there's a bridge which is gonna join the two junctions of the outer ring road. Otherwise, you couldn't go from Mitchell to Shamirpet. You have to come on this highway, get on to the other side. So all that construction work is going on. So set. क्या बात है? Looks sweet. So far so good. Just done 16 kilometers. Yeah guys, as usual, the usual safety tips follow. Be careful at crossings, don't overspeed at crossings, especially have fun in designated areas which you feel are safe. Nagpur is 4:47, and yep, so it's a very hot and dry day. It's a very hot and dry day. You could probably break an egg, put it on the road, and you'd get an omelette and instantly. It's that hot. क्या है भाई, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग करके पूरी अर्थ की माँ बहन कर दे रहे भाई. So we have almost reached the first toll plaza, which is 1 kilometer from it. We reached it actually. So far so good. I have done this road like a million times because this is I mean, this used to be the to-go destination for our rides, this highway only. I overreacted. Anyhows, it's very hot and I don't know, for some reason the highway is very windy. I really don't know why. लड़ाई हो गई क्या? सनवाइजर काश मेरे काम में आता बापू. Innova Fortuner should be declared as the national MP MLA car. This is one of the most boring roads I've ridden on. Of course, it's a fast road, like, but not many sceneries and very boring. Neendari. The peculiar thing I found about this road is that there are so many toilets on the highway. Like, I've seen like 3 public toilets till now in a stretch of 80 kilometers. Why? It's a good thing though. Not so many good dhabas. Maybe that's why. Reached the second toll plaza almost. This road is so boring that I'm standing and going. Abba. I don't like riding in the hot weather because I don't know, I feel bikes underperform in hot conditions because बेचारों को धूप में भगा रहे, very bad. This is one hell of a boring, windy, dry and hot highway. Period. Very boring. I've covered 100 kilometers already in like an hour. Less than an hour actually. Yes, less than an hour. Finally, at least some kind of view after 100 kilometers. Thoda to bhi desert. Passes off for a view, I guess. But still boring as fuck road. Just look for a good dhaba and stop for some chai. Biceps darat raha hai gym maar ke. And yeah, because I recently started gymming, balanced gym and riding. So those of you who do cardio, weightlifting, whatever, I'll give you an advice. Never exercise the day before you're going for the ride. For example, अगर आप लोग Thursday morning or Thursday afternoon, whenever you're planning to go, do not go to the gym on Wednesday. Because it's better if your body rests. You don't want your muscles to be fatigued. Because on the ride, your body is gonna get exhausted a lot. You know, दिखता के खाली गाड़ी पे बैठे हुए, but enduring that wind is another thing. Wow. What is he trying to do with his hand? Like, पूरा लगेज संभाल लेता क्या एक हाथ से? Keep distance, please. मुदिरा चिन्नी मोटर कैब किधर जा रही? One short straight road. I actually like my new helmet. The MT is new. Fast bend, not sure. Yeah, fast bend I guess. One of the visors, very nice, and the color scheme is also good. I don't know how much of it is visible. I'll show it to you somewhere where we stop. There's a lot of wind noise though. I saw a dhaba. Should not do such stupid shit, but it's okay. धूप बहुत है. Very irritated. So it's okay. Aish, मत डाल दे रे चिच्चा. स्वच्छ भारत अभियान बोल रहा खाली. So just done with my lunch here. This place called Meghna Multi Cuisine Family Restaurant. It's like 40 kilometers before the Nizamabad exit. Very nice food, very helpful. Uncle here gave me a lot of leads on the road. He said till Adilabad the road is excellent. After Adilabad the work is still being done, so it's gonna be a bit patchy, is what he said. Kya hai bhai, wherever Maharashtra starts the roads start to deteriorate. I remember this pungent stench which comes near this factory. Clarif location something. This factory is a rubber factory or something, I don't remember. Rayan bhai told me. I was riding the Z800 from Nizamabad to Hyderabad. That's when we went through this area, and I remember this pungent and ugly stench distinctively. Please, tadgi boke. Ah, fuck man. Get out of here fast. What is that? Are those tires? Nope. Whoa. Oh, that's something. God knows what it is, but something's burning. Is that a forest fire? Don't know. I guess that's a forest fire. Damn, it's so smoky because of the forest fire. I think heavy sunlight can trigger forest fires. One more up front. Hey, tractors were not enough. We have Hey Lunas also. Really like this pickup truck. Seeing it on the highway for the first time. Looks huge for the Indian roads. I can see my own reflection also in the back. Lovely color, I'd say. Finally now the road is getting a bit interesting. There's some greenery around and nice landscapes. I've crossed the exit for Nizamabad like 15-20 minutes ago. That's new territory for me. I'd come to Nizamabad on many occasions. That's a sweet ass Bolero. Kerala. Damn. Seeing a stock Kerala vehicle is a rarity, I guess. Just look at the rims on that thing. There's like crumbled rocks mountain. Getting interesting now. Such a big mountain. All small rocks. Wonder how it was formed. Some river almost dried up. The name of this river, there's no board behind. Nice. Lovely Chikni Road. Any house? Something really crazy happened back there which scared the living hell out of me. So there was an auto in front of me and this monkey ran from here, another monkey ran from here. Both of them started fighting in the middle and the auto hit them. So they rolled and they ran off. I don't know what happened to the poor monkeys, but I've seen a lot of monkeys on the way. I didn't have time to switch the camera on. It all happened in an instant. So a lot of venkies, a lot of monkeys on this road. Be careful. Damn, look at that stretch of road. Imagine pulling away on 1,000. Lovely. I thought it was just a patch, but I don't know, after Nirmal the whole road is like this is this new road. A little bit of agriculture. But after riding in Andhra, Telangana feels very dry. Wonder how Kerala is gonna be. Hi. This is getting a bit interesting now. There is like a wide stretch of mountains from there all the way there. Yosemite National Park type feeling आ रही इधर. Yosemite जी अपना अमेरिका में नहीं है. Whoop. What a road! What a beauty! If we could clean this up a little bit and shoot a video of a car going like this, people would actually think it's somewhere abroad. Please. Ah, monkey! Rape! क्या यार हो ऐसी चाहते? एयरबैग्स के ज़माने में सामने थोड़े पीछे थोड़े कारनामा तो दिखाना ही.
Really, nigga?
Hi, that view. I get pretty sure you all have been waiting for me to say hi at some point because that's become like my signature dialogue now. Damn. Period after a long time. Landing was a bit rough. Beautiful roads. The first 200 kilometers is awfully boring. After 200 kilometers, a little bit engaging. But I don't know how it's gonna be riding at night because there's so many monkeys. Monkeys! Is that a combine harvester? Yes, that is a combine harvester. This is the first time I'm seeing a combine harvester out of GTA. I've only seen those in GTA. That's a lovely backdrop and a lovely road to ride in. Crazy. 231 kilometers. So I stopped at like 230 kilometers from Hyderabad. This is after Nirmal towards Adilabad, just a little bit before Adilabad. And I must say the roads are amazing. Like, it's not a 6-lane road, but yeah, it's all smooth and bump free and crazy sweet. And especially the sceneries around, you can see. I put up a time lapse also on the new Helicam. It's interesting. There's a trippy combine harvester coming from behind me with some trippy songs. Anyhow, let's show you the road. Oh, that's the road as far as the eye can see. That's my new helmet, by the way. As far as the eye can see, neat roads. Even back there you can see, but lots of monkeys on this road. I don't know why. I thought this is going to be by far the most boring road ever, but now it's turning out to be interesting with the sun setting. Let's see how it's going to be. And as usual, my bike looks crazy. That's the paneer, by the way. I realized that my number plate bolt fell off. I don't know why it did. So now my bike is basically looking like a grey market bike without a number plate. Piche. I put in the bolt here and the number plate inside. If cops stop me, I can tell them, sir, gir gaya, sir. I'm thirsty. To find fuel, water. Kya baat hai? These kind of views keep the rider interested, according to me. Otherwise it gets boring. Slowly. Roll Mamda Toll Plaza. So I believe this is the toll plaza of the Stoners. 250 kilometers from Hyderabad, and there was just a board that said Kuntala Falls to the right. I haven't been to Kuntala Falls before, but yeah, I heard that is the route to Kuntala. There's a right back there. Oh, the road just keeps getting better and better. I wish the sun could have stayed out for a bit longer. This is getting enjoyable. ऊपर वाले बुरा मानेंगे. महाराष्ट्र बॉर्डर आरा पहिलेच. महाराष्ट्र बॉर्डर आदेश कुप्पार होणार आहे रे कधी. Let's make a fuel stop here. Ah, damn. Who's this guy? Accepts card. My helmet is full of bugs, man. So stopped for a fuel break and fueled up. So sun is down at 7 o'clock and all of a sudden my fucking intercom decided to stop working. I don't know why the fuck. It's a new piece. I ordered it hardly 2 months back, and the same model. I've been using it on my daily helmet since past 3 years and it's never given me any trouble. It even fell down once and the button broke, but it's still working. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. I tried charging it, everything. And on top of all that, there are so many bugs on this road. Fuck. I'm irritated, man. At least the road is good. That's what's keeping me happy. But I guess that's about to change after Adilabad. Fuck all, man. Lesson learned. Electronics can fail anytime. Should have carried an extra one of those. Just lying around at home. Feels weird riding without music. I always need background music to everything, okay? Shit, man. The fuck all road has begun, and this is bringing me back memories of Sholapur. I'm already late, and my intercom failed, and then this happens. there was no board which said welcome to Maharashtra, but I guess the road says it all. Welcome to Maharashtra, the land of bad roads. Why you no build roads, Maharashtra? Why you no build roads? Does this look like a national highway to you? Balls. Doesn't look like one to me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how an average national highway looks in Maharashtra. I mean, look at this shit. What the fuck is this, Bob? So, such good roads, and suddenly you get this. You know, when someone tells you that road का काम चल रहा, you should know that it's gonna be a trap. काम नहीं चल रहा, पिंडा भी नहीं चल रहा तो भी पता नहीं कितने सालों से चल रहा. This road is shit. Is exactly like the stretch, like the last few kilometers before Sholapur. It's exactly like that. It's completely fucked up. ये क्या है भाई, horror movie on wheels. Flickering lights. Met two strangers behind. They said the road is bad for 10 kilometers. बन रहा है is what they said again. Fuck यारो. एकदम
माँ चुदी पर ही है, अचानक बता रहे हो करे.
चोरा साले, शर्म नहीं है, टोल्स ले रहे ऐसे रोडों को भी. Finally the nightmare is over. 140 kilometers to Nagpur, and the 4-lane road is back, like 2 here, 2 there, but as you can see, it's pretty much fuck all. Not as good as the stretch before. I think it's high time. I know this country has worse roads than this, but I keep saying fuck all because with the way our infrastructure and everything is developing in our country, I think the roads in some states are excellent, and in some states they're just horrible. I don't know why this disparity, and this disparity needs to go away ASAP. Weird and creepy thing is that I'm the only one going in this direction. Everyone's coming to this direction. Almost since the last like 20 kilometers since the 4-lane road started, I'm the only one who's going this way. I feel alone, man. All the boards are also torn up. Nagpur 124. Have to step up the pace. So Ahmed, try reaching there before 9. Just had chai. It's 8:30. I'm 100 kilometers before Nagpur. The guy here said that after 30 kilometers the road is going to be a bit better. I was supposed to meet all my subscribers at the Seat showroom at 8. As you can see, it's already 8:30. Very sorry guys, due to unforeseeable circumstances I got delayed, my intercom fried, and these things happened on the way. And the road, I didn't expect it would be so fuck all. To all my Nagpur subscribers watching this video now you know the reason. And the place I was at, it had no signal, so I had no way to update my status on Instagram and Facebook that I'm gonna be late. I don't know if I can make it to see it before the showroom closes, but if you guys have come to the showroom, waited for me and gone, I'm very, very sorry guys. Really didn't expect I'd get so late. Roads are horrible. I started very late from Hyderabad. Very sorry anyways. Finally, I figured out the mystery of my intercom. It is not a fault with the intercom, it's a fault with this. I know what the fuck is wrong. This thing is not supplying power properly. That's the reason why it wasn't getting charged. I used my power bank and the intercom is charging. Weird. Fuck. That's what. I knew the intercom is very reliable. I've put the links to that everywhere. I mostly used it for 3 years and I've had like 4 different units and it never gave me any trouble. The fuck all diversions road has begun again. It's gonna be like this for the next 20 kilometers, I believe. Yeah, bhai, sab theek?
विशाल, विशाल, भैया पानी है क्या आपके पास?
पानी है ना भाई? भाई भाई पानी दो, पानी दो, पानी दो. दो लो, आप दोनों थे गाड़ी पे?
हाँ. विशाल,
कैसे हुआ भाई? कोई मारा क्या?
नहीं है, यहाँ पे स्लिप होगी भैया गाड़ी। बे विशाल, बे विशाल, उठना बे।
भाई पिलाओ, थोड़ा पानी पिलाओ उनको।
पानी पी, पानी पी। बे विशाल।
आगे कोई गांव है?
हाँ है।
मैं किसी को लेके आता हूँ मेरे।
नहीं, रहने दो, मैं लेकर जाता हूँ इसे। बे विशाल, उठना बे।
पक्का ले जाओगे भाई?
हाँ।
अगर भिजाना है तो भिजाता हूँ।
नहीं, रहने दो।
ओके।
बे विशाल, उठना।
Fuck. Okay, I think these guys are drunk. भाई भिजाऊं क्या किसी को?
नहीं, उठाता हूँ, इसको ले जाता हूँ। रहने दो, चल,
ठीक।
आप जाओ।
No one was even stopping. Such fuck all highways. I don't like seeing blood. Let's just stop here, have something, and get going. Fuck. Both of them are drunk. That's why he was refusing any help. Fucking weird. Never ride or drive when you're intoxicated, guys. Never. I repeat, never. Had some crazy chai at Punjabi dhaba. The owner was very friendly too. And now I guess the good roads of Maharashtra begin, because even there the guy told me, Paji bole, यहाँ से ज़बरदस्त road है and looks crazy too. For the first time I'm riding on a good Maharashtra road. So just like 416 kilometers from Hyderabad, you enter this village kind of place where there are unmarked speed breakers. You'll have a tiny board in the corner which tells you speed breaker ahead. It's actually like 6 spine breakers in a line, and the road is like this, so you're probably at a triple digit speed. So y'all gotta be careful. Ladies, why are people walking around here? What place is this? 50 kilometers from Nagpur, and it's a crazy road. 140 के नीचे उतरा ही नहीं मैं जब से. This is supposedly the last toll gate. So I'll just stop by, call up my friends, ask them where they are and all that, and update the GPS coordinates accordingly. उड़ा देंगे क्या VLC मीडिया प्लेयर को? So just entered Nagpur, 9 kilometers away from my friend's house. Friend is Sachin Dada, and because I'll be taking a Triumph tomorrow to the event, my bike had to be parked somewhere safe. So Sachin Dada helped me out with that. I'll be parking my bike at his place, which is 9 kilometers from here.
Listen.